how to add a number in WhatsApp from another country. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our WhatsApp right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the bottom right corner of the screen and then click this plus icon. Once you do that, you will be redirected right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click this new contact. So just click new contact and then you will be redirected in this part wherein we can add a new contact. So for the first name, all you have to do is to just type the first name of the contact that you want to add. So let's say, for example, that his name is Mark and then the last name is Justin. So it's just an example. So for the country, so this is the country codes of the countries that we have right here. So if you click that, we have multiple choices that we can choose. So let's say, for example, that the contact that we want to add is from United States. So just search United States right here and then just click this one. And then for the phone, just type the number of that contact. So let's say, for example, that his number is this. And then once it is done, you can just click the save button right here and you should now be able to add that contact on your WhatsApp. So that is basically it. That is how to add a number in WhatsApp from another country.